first Saturday work parties with Cookout. We planned the farmers market last year and started it not too long ago. In September, we finally got it going. It's like a little overview, brief overview of like our organization, how it's organized, the programs we are currently operating, and the ones that we want to operate, along with our annual report. Have this out for us to see as a summary. Last year's report. I'm gonna pass it on to Marie to do a little farm tour, show you around the farm.
Work party, and we harvest, and we weigh, and we log, and we make donations to the community in Strawberry Mountain. This is our annual garden. We plant either seed stuff, Pennsylvania horticulture, make donations and contributions, and so through April through November, we harvest in this bed. We protect this bed because of the groundhog. There's whole plants in there, beautiful okra, the chestnut trees. They're Chinese chestnut trees, not American chestnut. In 1908, a blight hit, and basically, whether it was forest management decided to wipe out all the chestnuts before the blight hit us, so we didn't give a chance to build resiliency and stuff. So most times you see a chestnut tree, it will be a Chinese chestnut.
Okay.
There are some around the Piedmont area, which would be like Maryland, more towards the
Cucumber. I went through all the tribal.
Oh, thank
Just
you.
tribal.
Thank you. Okay.
I didn't know that detail. That so you're saying that
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh yeah,
I believe that
more is over there.
Okay.
If you just look closely for things that look like.
Okay. Thank you.